Hi guys, this is week 2 of my weekly Make Money From Nothing challenge, and in this video I will show you my next trade and how I do it step by step. If you haven't seen my previous video, watch it to find out how this challenge started and what trades I made last week. Right now, as you can see, I'm sitting at $265. So the trade that I made, you can see my previous video, like I said, and right now it's time to do another trade. And the trade I'm thinking about doing is actually a AMC trade, because AMC stock is crazy high right now, and it's trading at insane valuation, in my opinion. But people are still buying it, and it's very active on the Reddit forums, and actually a lot of short covering is going on right now. So if you look at the AMC stock, you can notice that it's trading at very high volume, and it's the RSI is at around 95. So usually when RSI is above 70, the stock is considered to be overbought, but AMC has RSI of 95, so it's heavily and very much so overbought. And a lot of people think that the AMC will end up like GME, which is GameStop, at around like $200, $300. And I don't think it's gonna happen because of the number of outstanding shares for AMC and GME, the difference between them. Actually, AMC has about 450 million outstanding shares, and the GME has only 70 million outstanding shares. So on a relative basis, AMC is a lot more expensive right now than GME. So I think that the stock cannot continue at that pace, and I think it's going to come down. It's trading at $52, up 63.5% today, on news that investors will have free popcorn, and this is kind of a connect that the AMC create recently, that if you enter into their investment club and you go to their movie theater, you can get a free big popcorn. So it's not a reason for me to buy a stock, so that's why I want to sell a call spread on AMC actually. So let's look for AMC stock. AMC Entertainment stock, it's trading at around 53.70, 53.50, and it's going higher, but I'm gonna take chances on this. Okay, so trade options. So I'm gonna sell a call. Let's see, which call do I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 62 call, and I want to buy 64 call. Okay, so I'm getting like 45-50 cents around that. So click on continue. That's a spread basically. So let's see, let's put in the value of 60 cents realistically. 60 cents. Okay, maybe more, maybe even more than that. So because stock continues to go higher, it's up to 70% already. It's insane. So maybe it will go through for like 62 cents or something. Okay, so one contract review order. So I'm gonna get $62 if it executed. So I'm gonna submit and done. So just to reiterate the trade that just went through. I sold a 62nd call and I bought 64th call, both expiring June 4th, and I sold it for a credit of 62 cents. Means that if the stock stays below $62, I will realize full profit, and I will make $62. So because I sold only one contract. And if the stock stays above that, or for example above $64, then I will lose $2 minus 62 cents. So I will lose $138. Let me know in comments what you think about this trade and AMC in general. And if you want to see my trades in real time, you can join my Patreon club, the link in the description of this video. By the way, if you don't have a Robinhood account yet, you can follow the link in the description of this video and open a new account. And if you do that, both you and I will get free stock on Robinhood.